Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no shoes in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page. Watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. Alright, GBPUSD analysis. So let's start the top-down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we are still above the EMI, so the trend in higher time frame is still up, especially with this rejection here or long week. So I think 60% here we had buyers last week and 40% sellers. So still maybe we will go up. Okay, so coming back to daily time frame. In daily, we did make a new low. Yeah. So we are in the clear trend now. I think selling is exhausted. Okay, so last week on Friday or Thursday, yeah, so Thursday selling was exhausted. Then on Friday we ended blue, and on Monday we are ending blue as well. Okay, so let's come back to 4 hour. In 4 hour, we have this engulfing candle, right? So this is at 34630. This is at 3451. So this has not broken yet. Okay, so let's come back to daily because I only trade daily chart. Okay, so I think we still have the chance to go for 100 pips. Okay, this is my high 3525. Okay, and the reason is, even if this is a downtrend, okay, even let's say I say this is a downtrend, we still have to take a pullback. Okay, so if you use your fib levels, sorry, this is my line, delete it. Fib levels from here till here. And even if it goes up to 61%, you still get to your 100 pips. Okay, that is what my argument is. So I think we still have the chance to take 100 pips in long. Okay, because selling is exhausted on Thursday at on 25 September. Okay, so on 25th, selling is exhausted. We are forming bullish candles now. Now this bullish move could be a pullback, but that will still give us $100 pips. Okay, so for short term, I'm looking for what do you call, longs to at least until here. Okay, I think this will be tested again, 3520 or even more, and then only we might go back. If we go back, otherwise we will continue going up. Okay, so 4 hour is yeah, 4 hour looks to me bullish, because you see, if you use your fib level here and downtrend here, you see, there you go. So this blue candle is more than 78%. It's almost 85%. So when the trend has to continue, for example, if the downtrend had to continue, it will not take a pullback of more than 78%. Okay. So what I think is, I think this is a new uptrend. Okay. In 4 hour, new uptrend, pullback, and continuation of the uptrend. So I'm going for this high, which is at 3525. Again, it matches my daily chart. Okay. We are going for this high 3525 in 4 hour. And if you go for daily, this is your safer take profits. So if you take here 33520, this is, or 3525, this is your safe TP. Otherwise, you can even target 3550 as well. Okay. So I'm looking for longs in GBPUSD, and what I'm just telling you right now, it's worth thousands of dollars, and I'm ready here to give you this for free. Make sure subscribe, like, join, and if you want swing trading and automation, you can check out the first link as we discussed earlier in the beginning. Join free Telegram for sure. Join free one, okay, and the premium signals, everything. It's up to you. Check out all these links and subscribe, like, share this video as well, because not everybody is doing this for free. Okay, so I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.